Friends, I am Utkarsh Jaswal, and in class 9 I will be teaching you English and also physics. Okay, so on the screen right now you are seeing chapter 8. That's because I am your physics teacher. Okay, so your physics portion start from this chapter, that is chapter 8. That's why I am teaching you from this chapter. Okay, so the chapter is motion. Okay, so I think that all of you must be knowing, or all of you have an overview about what is motion and all that. Okay, because in the previous classes you must have read about the motion, what is motion and all that. Okay, but in this class you will get a little bit detailed, or you could say you will get deep inside the concepts and all that of this chapter, that is motion. Okay, so it's our first class. So I think you must have watched my English literature lecture which I provided you. So in the first class I always gave students to read this chapter or any chapter by themselves, so that they could also get an overview by their understanding. Okay, so in this class also I will be leaving you here with the screenshot or the page which is appearing on your screen. You have to read this, and yeah, you have to also do one work. You have to read or revise your chapter which was in the previous class from class 8, because every class chapter is related. It doesn't mean that you are in class 9, so class 8 chapter or what was written in the class 8 chapter, class 8 book, that will not be for any use. That will be of use. It is interrelated. Okay, so before starting this, I want all the students to go and revise their previous book which was of class 8. And in the next lecture of physics I will give you a brief detail and all the explanation of this chapter motion. Okay, okay then. So yeah, your work will be to revise the concept which you have studied earlier in class 8. Okay, okay students, thank you.